quick overview of what's inside the folders. Let's start to design the spread by changing the cover color. If you closed file with cover, open it again in a new window. We will need to sample color from the cover to change the inside cover. Select eyedropper tool and click on the color. Copy color code as we did before. Now double-click on the Change Color layer and paste the color code Command+V. Do the same for the right part. Now let's change color tone for the pocket to match the cover. With pocket layer selected, press Command+U. The hue saturation window will appear. Move color slider until the colors are matching. You can reduce saturation and brighten the shadow if needed. You can hide envelope and bookmarks if you don't need them, or change its color and customize the bookmarks as you want. Double-click on the color clipping mask for envelope to change its color. You can go back and sample color from the cover. By double-clicking on the color overlay of the envelope lines layer, you can change their color as well. Now let's add grids for the pages. In the folder you will find line, dotted and graph grid. Moving on to the bookmarks customization. Each bookmark is on its separate layer, which means that you can move it, rotate, change color, etc. Don't forget to change envelope shadow tone as well. Use Move tool and Transform tool, Command+E, to place and rotate. To change bookmark color, double-click on the layer and select Color Overlay. Add text with Type tool. You can customize bookmarks by adding images. Drag image you want into the working document. Move its layer above the layer with bookmark. Hold Alt and click between those two layers to make a clipping mask. Let's add some graphic to the envelope bookmarks as well. For the clipping mask with image to work, hide Color Overlay adjustment layer. Double-click on the Color Overlay adjustment layer to change logo color. You can hide this section or customize it. To change text, simply click on it with Type tool selected. Change color of the text and lines as we did before. To change ellipse drop shadow, holding Command, click on the layer icon. The selection will appear. Choose Bucket Paint tool and click to change the color. To add another cat illustration, delete the old one and drag new image into the working document. To add texture of the cover to this section, follow those steps. Right-click on the group layer, duplicate group. Hide first group, and with group copy selected, press Command+E. The group will rasterize into one layer. Move this layer down to the left cover color layer. Apply a clipping mask by holding Alt.